Okay, guys, right. I need to try and just teach a couple of people in the room, Prisha in particular, you know, what we've been up to of late. I'm not going to get into the mechanical trading yet, okay? There will be videos on that, I've no doubt. But I just want to show you what I think is probably the safest and easiest way to trade, okay? First of all, you know, you should be looking at the trend. You should be looking at the trend, and if you're going to go against the trend, then you need something special. I've said this in every video, okay? So if you can see me, this is mine. I know MT or somebody's moving around on the board, but just try and ignore those for a moment, guys, because I want to show you this. Right, Prisha and one or two others. Right, you need to trade in a direction where you have a signal on the current 1 hour or 4 hour current candle. Now the current candle is the one that's open. You see that? That's the current 1 hour GU, that's the current 1 hour EU, that's the current 4 hour EU, and you've got a super on there, okay? Right, I know you've got a little red against there, but this could just be a retest. That takes precedence. And what you want to be doing, Prisha, is you've got plenty of room. Generally a super like that will take the you know, price probably to it, but very near to the orange line on that particular chart, which is the 4 hour chart, okay? So you're quite safe if you were to take signals to go with that, okay, in that direction. So basically you're looking for any signal on the lower time frames. I would use the 15 and the 5s, right, with signals in that direction, okay, because it's a 4 hour super. Alright, and let's just have a look at a couple. There was a small red there on the 5 minute, come all the way up here. Alright, this red pink here, all the way up here, okay, both winners. Alright, let's just have a look at the GCAD, the GBP New Zealand. This is the play of the day, Prisha. We have a different one in every day now. I know you've been away for a few days, you might have seen that. Now look at the 1 and 4 hours here. You've got signals on both, okay? You only had the 1 hour in, but you also had this, you know, 30-minute signal down here. You had these 15-minute signals down here, and look at this 5-minute signal in that direction, and look at that. That's probably a 40 pip move, Prisha. Okay, that's probably 40 pips on one trade. You could have just you could still be in that trade now, because there is nothing really to tell you to get out. There's no 5 minute, here you go, maybe you're getting a 5 minute signal now here, you know, so you just keep an eye on it. Alright, but that particular trade, you could have taken that one trade today and made a 40 pip move there. Alright, so that's basically all it is, Prisha, and anybody else that's listening, right, is you're looking for it on the current candle, whether it's on a 1 hour. Don't trade any pair unless you have a signal on either the 1 hour or the 4 hour, okay, and trade in that direction, and in particular when they're super like this, they're really strong. Alright, and even more so when they're with the trend. You know, you can see, you would call this uptrend on the UCAD, and look at that 1 hour there, super, that came all the way up here. Right, that 4 hour still in play, look, and it's pushing right up with a really strong trend. Alright, okay, again I'll just show you that on the UCAD. It didn't have a signal, but it bounced off the 1 hour orange line. Alright, but it did have a 30-minute signal there. You know, you've got these 15-minute signals back here. I know there's a small red, but that's just retesting from above. Okay, and look, 5-minute signal, winner. 5-minute signal, winner. There's not another one there. There probably is at some point. So that, now, just getting back to that, GBP New Zealand might be your exit point. Okay, you've got 5-minute signals against you. You threw the BB bands on 15-minute, 30-minute, and you're getting momentum. So you could say, right, well, I'll get out now, and then if I get another 5-minute signal down shortly or later, I'll get back in. Alright, so that's all it is. Okay, and I'm going to give this video to MT tonight, and Prisha, that's all I want you to do. You focus on that, and if you're with the trend, like, or you've got a really strong bias, like, I mean, the 1 and 4 hour correlating pair of signals on both on current candles is strong, Prisha. It's strong. Okay, as you can see there, that was a 40 pip move. Alright, so, and if this is, you know, I think what you should do is, if you're with the trend, is, you know, do the open TP, and then, you know, when you go against the trend, depending on what the setup's like, if you go against the trend and you've got supers on 1 and 4, then again, go open TP, because it's going to go more than 5 pips. Okay? So, yeah, that should help you. It's the best way I can do it, this, Prisha, because when you're asking me questions in the room, it's very hard for me to try and say, oh, well, focus on this, focus on that. No, you did wrong here, you did wrong right there, you know. So just try this now, do it for a few days, and let me know how things are going, how your days are going. Okay.